you.
All right, we've got Yoshi in here from Humane Society of Utah with a best friend that's a cat.
Yes, yes, we have Carver. Carver is the Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week. And Carver is, he's 3 years old. He weighs about 13 pounds. We don't know a ton about him. He's a bigger cat, yes. We don't know a ton about him because he is an owner transfer, a transfer from another shelter. But what we do know is we definitely want to find him a loving home to move into and live happily ever after. He's only $25, super affordable. Wow. And as you guys know, that comes microchipped, vaccination shot, and I think did I say neutered already? And neutered. Okay.
Yeah. And the good thing is about cats, they're just so easy, aren't they?
They are. They're typically so easy because they're so independent.
Yeah.
You leave the food out, the litter box, they do their thing. You don't have to walk them and have them go potty. So they tend to be a lot easier to, especially at the early phases, get to know as more than a dog, let's say.
And this one looks like it's more cuddly than anything. It doesn't look like this one wants to attack, it wants to cuddle.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes when the cats are in here, they come in and you can kind of tell their personalities.
He just wants to hide from the camera.
Exactly,
so cool.
absolutely.
This guy just wants to cuddle.
He just wants to cuddle, yep.
Yeah. He's like, how far into your armpit can I get right
exactly,
now? That's how we feel some mornings too.
Yes.
Can I just hide? All right, thanks Yoshi, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Here's all the info on the screen for Humane Society of Utah. If you want to go take a look at the cats or dogs, 801-261-2919.